Put your hands behind your back.
I don't consent to anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't consent to anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Stop a little bit.
Let it out.
Move your hand.
What's the charge?
Hold on.
Y'all been disrespectful. I don't care, bro. I know how to build nuclear fusion. I don't want to do all that shit. Like on all the resources. I don't care.
Yeah, fusion.
I don't care, bro.
20 feet away from Oakley, so.
I'm balling, bro.
Don't move.
I'm not moving, dumbass.
Yeah, I'm on.
Oh, you can't see that.
Yeah, I don't care. I know like free energy devices. I can build free energy weapons, all that shit. Yeah. I don't care, bro.
All right, that's good. Next.
A suspect confesses to theft while handcuffed, without Miranda being read. The only witness cannot see clearly from a distance. Was the stop legal? Does the confession hold? And what actually remains if the court suppresses the admission?
Had phone, like...
They look homeless? He had a beard?
Nah.
Was he alone?
He was alone. Literally, I opened the doors back up. I put the door stop here.
Did you see his face really good, or?
Yeah, he was black.
I mean, like facial hair or anything like that?
Yeah, he had a little bit of facial hair, black hat. Like, he was all blacked up. He was black guy with black clothing, black hat.
Okay.
He just had the white, I guess, AirPods.
AirPod?
I have a sign here that says back in 15 minutes. So I'm taking it off. As I'm taking it off, he kind of just walks over there. And as he's walking him, hey, sir, how can I help you? Welcome in. The guy turns around like, I'm taking these and you're doing shit about it. I'm like, sir, can I help you? Like, you have questions about those glasses? He's like, I can't buy my company and be like,
I can't talk.
you're stealing, give me my stuff back.
Yeah.
Like, hey, my questions about those glasses? Like, no, I'm taking them. And he just walked out.
Which way you go?
That way.
To the right? Is that him right here? It's a yes or no question, dude. You can't work off.
Well, I'm visually impaired.
Got it. Sorry.
I can't see from right here.
Okay. All right.
You good?
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah.
Yeah, so what's going on? We gotta call that, what you call it? Someone, you went in Oakley's,
What do you mean?
store right there?
Yeah. What store? The McNuggets store?
Right there. This one.
Mickey D's. That wasn't me.
That was you?
No.
Okay.
I was at Mickey D's.
Hold on.
Hi. Hey, what's good, bro?
Did you go in there earlier?
No. I was at Mickey D's. Was Ian?
You were here?
No, that wasn't me. Bro.
Okay. We're gonna detain you for a little bit, okay? Just hang tight. And if the ID is negative...
I work here, bro. I work here. You good?
Oh.
Yeah. Come on, gang.
All right. So what's the description they say?
Huh?
What's the description they say?
Well, he's actually 6'1", so...
Oh, I'm 6'2", so he's tall.
Yeah, right.
So he just came in and swiped and left?
So I said, yeah. So he can ID, but then he has to be really close. So I asked him from here. I don't even know if he can ID. So he went right, anyways. All black everything, which that guy is too, but...
I wonder if he went in there... Because
he came from this way, right?
Yeah. He came all the way from up there.
And he's solo, too. So...
Right,
no.
Anyways, just go figure out this guy who wants to prosecute, and then I guess we gotta see if the camera can pick up anything, because he doesn't have a picture, and he has to see him. The guy has to be like this close. He's visually impaired, so like you get. So yeah, if you just Which direction he headed?
He went like he angled that
to the right. All right. You guys want to prosecute? You said.
By company we can. Yeah, it's gotta send in.
It's up to you. If you want to write a statement, I could get that, and you could pretty much give the details. And you're like a supervisor or a manager here?
I'm one of the managers.
Okay.
Is there any video from here or no?
We have cameras, but I don't even know if it's working or not.
This person looks familiar?
Good question. Yeah.
No, he had a gray backpack or bag slung across the front of his body.
Black socks, white, and
Sir. Yes, you. Stop. Stop. Come on over here for me.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Over there, please. Right here near the wall. Right here near the wall. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't consent to anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't consent to anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Stop a little bit.
Let it out.
Move your hand.
What's the charge?
Hold on.
Y'all been disrespectful. I don't care, bro. I know how to build nuclear fusion. I know how to do all that shit. Like on all the resources. I don't care.
Yeah, fusion.
Like,
I don't care, bro.
20 feet away from Oakley, so.
I'm balling, bro.
Don't move.
I'm not moving, dumbass.
Oh, you can't see the.
Yeah.
I know like free energy devices. I can build free energy weapons. All that.
got it.
Yeah. I don't care, bro.
All right, that's good. Next one. It's bluish.
Yeah. It's an actuator, those.
Those. Do you have a physical copy right here?
Bro, if it's a hat,
Don't move.
the hat's in the bag.
Don't
Just take
move.
the hat.
Don't move.
The hat, big one.
No, that's my hat.
That's my hat now.
Hey, all right. Hey, I do black magic, buddy.
I do black magic. Welcome to black magic, man. Welcome to Orlando. All right. Is this your bag?
That's my bag.
All right. Let's play.
Copy 1 detained in front of her zone.
But so what do you want? Just whatever you want, just take it.
Yeah.
No,
Okay, no, man.
whatever I took, just take it back.
Okay. Oh, whatever you took.
Yeah, I did. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I did. Because look, people be disrespecting me, bro. Like,
Okay. Well, listen.
so I'll give everything back, bro. Like, it's like everybody's against me, dog. Like, I ain't
What's
disrespecting
everything?
nobody, man. You guys are all disrespecting me for what?
Disrespect me.
Damn, bro.
Relax.
I need a little bit of slack from this bag if you're holding it.
No, you can unclip it from the
That's
bottom.
what I'm doing, sir.
And I'm ex-law enforcement, so
Oh yeah. Well, that's too
And
bad.
I know-
Too bad to hear that.
hey, I know how to build nuclear, bro. I know how, bro.
Well, you can build a nuclear jail. How about that?
I don't care, bro.
Like good?
Bro, hey, what's your name? See, you like to talk a lot.
Yeah, Officer Cologne.
Okay, what's your badge number?
Badge number 34458.
You tough with you tough with my hands behind my.
Oh, really? Is that what it is?
You tough with fine. Okay,
Okay,
hey,
good.
look. Actually, I respect that. I respect that.
Okay, there you go.
You're just doing your
There
job.
you go,
You're just
there
doing
you
your
go.
job. My bad.
Now you're working with me. Grab a seat, Pablo.
Sit down.
Grab a seat.
Here's the wall.
Lay it out. I ain't got questions. Sit down. Sit down.
Cross your leg, John. There you go.
Okay, the hat's
You got a Florida
in
ID?
there.
You got a Florida ID?
Damn, that's assault. You just hit. Ow! That's assault.
You have a license on you?
It's in my it's in that bag right there.
Which one?
Damn, bro. Hey, bro, that's mine.
I know we're putting it out here so it doesn't get stuck in your ear. What's your social, my man?
I don't want to need my social.
Okay, do you have a Florida ID?
Yes.
Okay, what's your first name?
Shimez, yeah.
Spell that.
I don't care. Y'all been disrespecting me ever since for the whole year because I don't want to get y'all been calling me gay, disrespecting me. Hey, guess what? I know how to build free energy devices, bro. You want to make me an enemy? All right. I know that nuclear fusion. That's what I study, bro. I'm an engineer. You want to make me an enemy? Okay. I don't hate y'all, but y'all been disrespecting me, bro. Like, damn.
So can you go to the office, get the show up form?
Okay.
And then we'll do it together. Yeah, we can't bring him out until then. So.
Bro, I'm definitely gonna get out. So.
Who's taking this? I got 50 people doing my job here, so who's taking this call? 185? Okay.
And I know it's the glass. The glass. Okay. The glasses are in there. I took the glasses, and there's a gray hat in that bag right there.
What glasses are you talking about?
Okay, never mind. So what are you guys looking for? So yeah, it's the glasses. I just take that because the guy I was laying down. He bent over my face on purpose. Like y'all do that gay shit. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take your glasses. You think you're tough doing that weird shit? The glasses are in the bag.
Can you tell me what glasses you're talking
The
about?
Oakley glasses. They're Oakley. I went in there and just took them because he went in there. He bent down in my face. I'll be watching anime. I'm not doing nothing to nobody. Y'all trying me.
What do they look like?
They're right there. Well, I can get them out for you. You can't go on my property. I didn't destroy nothing. I didn't do nothing. Y'all always disrespecting me for no reason.
What do you say brush? Did he he push you? What does that mean? He brushed past you?
Like, I was grabbing the sign off the wall.
Solomon
that,
thing?
he kind of just pushed my hand, come in the store. Like, he didn't let me put my hand back out.
Yeah.
Like, my hand was still in the middle.
I
And
saw him be here.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
you
we're
got
gonna
it.
be telling him like it's, you know what I'm saying, and he's the one interviewing, blah blah blah. So.
Mr. Aggressive, hey, no, I like this style. I'm nice one for
Okay, cool. Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
But I mean, without that badge, you can't. I'll put the shit up.
You think so?
Yeah, without the
I
badge.
don't know. You look pretty weak.
Well, you have experience like professional fighting experience?
Oh, you trying to find out? Was I trying to do?
No, not right now.
That's what I thought you did. There you go. Okay, man. All right. There you go, bud. What's all in?
Yeah.
He's going back to get that show up for him. He's coming back, and I told Ivan just to hang tight and let Solomon, because we're getting we're getting everything, but then Solomon's gonna be like, who, what, you know what I'm saying? So let him talk to him, let him go. You know what I'm saying? Cool.
Yesterday I told him to slow down.
So that way, Is he officially under arrest?
Was he officially under arrest?
Yeah, because I identified him. Cool. Yeah.
Just let him know over the radio so they can stamp the time on that.
So is he going to jail?
Yes, he is
Yeah, he called
officially
10:15,
10:15. We're letting that wheel turn so this wheel can turn.
Yeah, I wasn't aware. I forgot, I guess. So Roland was kind of like, I was like, oh, right. Okay, let me.
Well, I think I might do is just get his case number. And I noted the time with this other guy. This is the same guy from...
Is it your guy?
It is.
And see if they want to prosecute.
They do.
Oh, so they can just
That
go to
was
the
in the
jail and
statement.
drop it off.
So So what I think I'll do is I work tomorrow. I think I'll just reach out to Sarge and see how he wants me.
So I actually, when Solomon came out, I go, hey, is he arrested? He's like, he's about to be. Well, he's in handcuffs already. Is he arrested? Yes or no? He goes, yes. I go, cool.
We should take him back to the office, shouldn't we? Before Solomon and take him right to jail.
Yeah, we can. I mean, we can inventory that stuff right there and then figure out.
He's primary, so he needs to make a decision.
Right.
Because apparently he's still used to making primary decisions because other people
He needs to be
don't
smart
make
and
decisions.
Say, I'll take him back to the office and get some help from and we can inventory that shit.
Yeah.
And I don't know who's making the decisions, but you guys are aware. I'm an engineer. I have no kids. I have nothing but time, and all this hatred that you guys have instilled within me. I was gonna let it go. I can't let it go.
I suggest you let it go because I let a lot of my hatred in my heart go every day.
Okay, I try to, but you guys do the same thing every day.
No, we don't. Nobody wants to kill
I tell you, bro, I've been on the level, bro.
All right, man, let's go. Let's go this way.
So, can you tell me where I'm going?
Yeah, we're going to the right.
I mean, like, the final destination? If you guys drop the charges, I'll give you guys a heads up on about dark matter and dark energy. So, trust me, you guys, that's what you guys want. Trust me, that's better than disposition.
All right, so just stand up against the car real quick. So we'll do a quick search. All right, sir, you have anything on you I should know about? Anything to poke me? Anything in your pockets?
Should be my other headphone. I don't know. You guys, I hope you guys didn't lose my headphone.
Good. All right. Good.
Watch your head.
Watch your head. Just
Watch your head.
step up.
No. Slide in with your butt. It'll probably be easier that way.
Should the seatbelt be up like that? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna put
Go
it.
ahead, slide back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sir, at this moment, you've been trespassed from the property indefinitely. At no one time are you allowed back on property to fly out, and that you're not even allowed to fly out. If you're caught, we will press charges. Yep, and that means you cannot go to the train station either. Okay, if you don't know that, don't worry.
No,
about it.
I know that. You mean Silverstone.
Yes. So you can fly out of Tampa, Melbourne, Daytona, Sanford, but not here. Okay.
Terry v. Ohio. 1,968 requires specific and articulable facts, not a hunch, to justify an investigative detention. Under United States v. Socolow, 1,989. Courts apply a totality of circumstances test, and witness reliability is a required variable in that analysis. Florida Statute 901.151 codifies Terry into state law. Detention is lawful only for the duration necessary to confirm or dispel suspicion. Florida v. Royer, 1,983 adds a strict constraint. Officers must use the least intrusive means available. Delay without investigative progress is unconstitutional. Berkmer v. McCarty, 1,984 defines custody as the point where a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. Handcuffed, seated on the ground, surrounded by multiple officers inside a terminal. That threshold is almost certainly crossed the moment restraints are applied. Miranda v. Arizona, 1,966 requires two conditions to be met simultaneously. The suspect must be in custody and must be subjected to interrogation. Both must be present before a rights advisement becomes constitutionally mandatory. Failure to advise creates a suppression risk that follows the case to trial. Rhode Island v. Innis, 1,980 defines interrogation beyond direct questioning. It extends to any words or police conduct that officers know are reasonably likely to produce an incriminating response. A spontaneous voluntary statement, however, falls outside this definition. The constitutional tension here is real. The subject was in custody. Miranda had not been administered. His admission was offered without being asked. Under Innis, the prosecution argues spontaneity. Under the custodial environment doctrine, the defense argues the coercive setting itself is the functional equivalent of interrogation. Florida Statute 812-14 requires only two elements to sustain a theft conviction: intentional taking of another's property and specific intent to permanently deprive. On a confession alone. Both elements are satisfied, but a suppressed confession leaves the prosecution with a visually impaired sole witness and circumstantial positioning. Kymel v. California, 1969. Authorizes warrantless search of the persons and the area within immediate control incident to a lawful custodial arrest. The bag search is likely lawful on this basis. Or, alternatively, grounded in voluntary consent when the subject directed officers to the glasses himself. 3 critical lessons emerge from this encounter. Miranda must be administered at the moment custody is established, not at formal arrest declaration. Show-up identification using a sole impaired witness requires corroboration before detention. Florida Rule 3.191 starts the speedy trial clock at physical restraint, not at the radio call. Florida Statute 810(9) transforms the trespass notice into an independent criminal offense. Any return to the property, regardless of the theft outcome at trial, constitutes a separate prosecutable crime. The 2 charges are legally independent. A dismissal of the theft does not dissolve the trespass prohibition. If the confession is suppressed, what evidence actually remains? A single witness who could not identify the suspect from a standard distance. A detention that rested on a physical description alone. A bag search tied to an admission that may no longer exist. At what point does a lawful arrest rest on constitutionally fragile ground? And would this case survive a motion to suppress?